Hello, digital art students. This is Mr. House. In this iMac tutorial, number one, we're going to figure out the desktop, which is the background of your iMac, the dock, which is where to find and launch applications, the Finder lets you navigate through your files and folders, and how to save your work. Alright, so first, if I click over here and click and drag on the background, this is what we call the desktop of the iMac work environment. You can put folders and files here, organize them, move them around. It's a visual way to find things that you've saved and stored on your computer. Now, I'm going to minimize this agenda, and you'll notice it goes down here to something we call the dock. The dock is a place where open files and programs are shown, but it's where you find and launch applications. That's mainly what it's used for. Here we have Photoshop, Google Chrome. So leave those alone for now. I want you to click on the Finder. The Finder is a place where you can navigate through files and folders. So right now what I want you to do is click off of your Finder window on the background. You can click and drag to make sure. So you're on the desktop. Right click, choose New Folder, and a new folder appears. The text is already highlighted, so you just need to type. And I want you to type your name. For me it'll be Mr. House. When I'm done, I click off on the background and it sets the folder. I'm going to move it up here to the corner, and you'll notice on your Finder window when you choose desktop, there's the folder you just made. So I can get into that folder by double clicking here, or I can close it and double click here. And there I am in the Mr. House folder, which is also on the desktop. So there are various places you can get into your computer on this left side. The ones you're going to be most concerned with are your user folder, which has the desktop and the desktop. Those are the most important. Now that you have a folder, that's where you're going to save all of your work, and let's do that right now. So I'm going to come down to the dock and hover over Photoshop, click once, and as a program is bouncing, it's opening up, and once it's open, a little light comes on underneath it, and we know it's active. Up comes Photoshop, and it's just kind of blank to start with. Nothing's happening yet. We have to make it happen. You'll see Windows and Tools, and up at the top, if you click on one of these, drop menus come down to give you more choices. So I want you to go to File, New, and up comes a new window. The size, it shows you information like size and resolution, and you can name it. So right now I want you to type test. This is just a test file we're creating. The width and height that you see may not be this size, so I want you to double click in here and type in 640 and choose from this drop menu pixels, and make the same for this one, 640, drop menu pixels, and 72 resolution. And you can click and drag, or you can double click and just type it in. Once you have that, you can come up here and click OK and start your file. Up it comes. It's just a white canvas. This is how Photoshop file starts. It's just blank and white. We're not really going to do anything with this, just to learn how to save is all we want to do, but you can choose the brush tool over here, and it's set to a black color, and start brushing around. See what happens. You can just scribble a bit, and then when you're done, choose File, Save As, and a Save As window comes up. It has our name here, Right now it's already in my folder. Yours might be down in Documents or somewhere else. So look where it's highlighted on this left menu, and make sure you go up to Desktop and choose the folder you just created. Yours is going to be much more blank. I have more things on this computer. Double click on your folder. Make sure the format is set to Photoshop. And now choose Save. That saved our file. We're done with Photoshop. So click on Photoshop and choose Quit Photoshop. You'll see that the light went off down here, showing us that it's closed down. And if we double click on your folder, you'll see Test here. And I can double click on this and it automatically launches Photoshop, and up comes the file that we created. Go back to Photoshop, whoops, and choose Quit. I'll close the window, and to review, the desktop is the background of your iMac. The dock is where to find and launch applications. The Finder, which is this smiley face, lets you navigate through your files and folders. And we went through how to save your work in Photoshop using File, Save As, and navigating to your folder. Thank you for learning.